how to make everyone can invite you to private servers on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make everyone can invite you to private servers on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and now click these 3 points here in the bottom corner and go down. Here you will find settings and then click privacy, and now just go down here until you find who can invite me to private servers. Click on it and then select everyone, and now everyone can invite you to private servers. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video, and then see you in the next video.